What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about SeaBank debit card. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba mag-order ng SeaBank debit card sa SeaBank application. At saka kung bakit ko ito blinag guys, it's because special siya kasi pwedeng ma-refund or maibalik yung pinambili nyo ng SeaBank debit card kasi may promo ngayon si SeaBank which is kapag na-reach ninyo yung kailangan transactions, i-reverse yung pinambayad ninyo para sa SeaBank debit card. Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano ma-qualify para sa promo na yun. At saka yung mga kadalasang tanong about SeaBank debit card promotion or rewards cashback. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito, SeaBank Rural Bank. Get your card fee back. Ito nga yung dahilan kung bakit ako nag-vlog kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo para ma-qualify kayo kung paano makuha yung pinambayad nyo sa debit card. So, get 160 pesos back when you use your physical card 5 times within 30 days of activation. So, ito guys, nais ko lang i-highlight, no? Not all the time ganito yung promo. Parang ito yung promotion, pero pag-uusapan din natin guys kung ano yung importance ng SeaBank debit card. Ano yung functions niya. Uunahin ko lang tong promo nila. So, disclaimer lang guys, baka mag-iba yung promo nila, hindi na ma-reverse or ma-refund yung pinambili ninyo. Kailangan yung alam nyo yun para hindi kayo magulat. Then, get 160 pesos back when you use your physical card 5 times within 30 days of activation. So, ngayon guys, nais kong sabihin sa inyo na 99 pesos na lang siya so far. Nag-promo sila ulit. Yung 160 pesos, 99 na lang. So, di ba, 61 pesos yung discount. Pero babalik yan in the future. Like, may certain period of time lang yan na promo. Then, babalik yan sa 160 pesos. Kaya naman ngayon, i-take yun na yung opportunity na to at mag-order na kayo ng SeaBank debit card habang 99 pesos pa lang siya at hindi pa bumabalik sa 160 pesos. Then ito guys, ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba mag-join or paano nga ba ma-avail yung 160 pesos rewards card fee kumbaga na sinasabi nila. Step 1 is order and activate your SeaBank physical card. So, kailangan nyo munang i-order of course. Antayin nyo siya na dumating sa bahay ninyo, then i-activate ninyo yung physical card. Once you order your first ever SeaBank physical card, you have 30 days from your date of activation to participate in the promo. So, take note lang guys, first ever. So, if ever na nakapag-order na kayo before, nakapag-gamit na kayo, hindi na kayo qualified. Dapat unang-unang SeaBank debit card nyo to. Then, step 2 is spend 5 times using your SeaBank physical card for your purchases. So, kailangan guys, ito yung gagamitin nyo. Kailangan 5 times nyo siya gagamitin within 30 days after na mag-activate kayo ng debit card na yun. So, pagka-receive ninyo, inactivate ninyo, then magsisimula yung 30 days counting. Kailangan within 30 days, makapag-spend kayo 5 times, walang required amount. Basta ginamit nyo lang siya pambayad kahit 10 piso, 10 pesos, or 15 pesos. Basta nagkaroon ng transaction 5 times within 30 days. Step 3 is get 160 pesos reward. Your reward will be credited within 5 banking days after your 5th transaction has been posted. So, pagkatapos guys ng 5th transactions ninyo sa debit card na yun, magantay kayo ng 5 banking days. Bago, hindi naman maabot ng 5 banking days talaga. Minsan, 2 days lang, 3 days, nandyan na yung cashback or yung refund. Then, yun lang, ganun lang kabilis guys. Kailangan nyo lang mag-order, then pagka-order ninyo, pagka-deliver, pagdating sa bahay ninyo, gamitin ninyo pambayad sa mga POS, yung mga establishments, grocery store, or department store na nagtatanggap ng card payment. Then yun lang siya. Then ngayon, dapo tayo ngayon guys sa frequently asked questions. Who can join the program? You are eligible for the card fee rebate if you have an active SeaBank account. Of course, kailangan may SeaBank account kayo at verified yon. And have not ordered a SeaBank physical card as of June 7, 2025. So, bago lang kasi ito guys, June 7 lang siya nag-start. Dapat hindi pa kayo nakapag-order before June 7. Kasi dapat first ever SeaBank debit card yun. Pangalawang katanungan, kadalasang tanong is, how do I avail of the 160 pesos reward? You have 30 days from the activation of your first ever, ibig sabihin kauna-unahan, SeaBank physical card or make 5 in-store transactions, either locally or overseas using the card. So kahit dito lang sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. Pangatlong katanungan, kadalasang tanong is, Is there a minimum amount to qualify for 160 pesos reward? Ang sagot is no. As long as you are able to make 5 successfully posted transactions within 30 days of card activation, you will be eligible for the rewards. So tulad ng sabi ko, kailangan pag na-activate ninyo for 30 days, magbibilang kayo ng 30 days, dapat pasok doon yung 5 times transactions para ma-refund or ma-rebate yung 160 pesos na pinambili ninyo. Then pang-apat is, are there specific merchants that I need to buy from to get the 160 pesos reward? So may mga specific stores lang ba? Ang sagot is no. It applies to any in-store merchants that accepts MasterCard. So kahit anong tindahan or store man yan, basta tumatanggap ng card payment, which is yung MasterCard. Kasi MasterCard, how many times can I avail of this card fee rebate? So you can only avail of the card fee rebate once on your first ever SeaBank physical card. You cannot be credited another rebate if you have already been rewarded. So, kapag halimbawa, nakabili na kayo, tapos gusto nawala yung card, then mag-order ulit kayo, hindi na kayo qualified. Isang beses lang kasi siya ito mangyayari. Parang one-time promo lang ito. Then, pang-anim na kadalasang tanong is, can I combine local and in-store and overseas and in-store transactions to get the 160 pesos reward? Ang sagot is yes. You can have any combination of local and overseas and in-store purchases as long as you reach 5 successfully posted transactions within 30 days of card activation. Then, pang-pitong kadalasang tanong is, will this reward affect the usual 1% cashback on SeaBank card purchases? Ang sagot is no. Hindi maapektuhan yun, guys. Walang pakialam yun. May discount pa rin or may rebate pa rin kayo or cashback na 1%. No, you will still receive the 1% cashback. The 160 pesos reward is a separate reward from the usual SeaBank card cashback. This reward will not count toward the 1,000 pesos monthly cashback limit of your SeaBank cards. Ibig sabihin, di ba may 1,000 pesos na cap every month sa SeaBank, hindi affected yon. Kung ano yon, ibang promo talaga to. Then, pang-walong katanungan is, when will I receive my cashback? The 160 pesos reward will be credited to your account with 5 banking days from when your 5th transaction has been successfully posted. So, the last na, yung pang-5 transactions ninyo sa card ninyo, 5 days yung aantayin nyo. Minsan hindi nga umaabot ng 5 days. Tulad ng sabi ko, nakikredit agad. Yun lang siya. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ganun yung kadalasang tanong guys about SeaBank Card Fee Rebate Program. So ito guys, let's talk about SeaBank purpose. So itong SeaBank Debit Card, MasterCard, yung purpose niya guys is pwede nyo gamitin tulad ng sabi ko, pwede nyo pambili, cashless transactions, din pwede kayo makapag-withdraw right from your savings account sa SeaBank. Direct yung deduction doon. Halimbawa, yung SeaBank debit card, MasterCard ninyo, ginamit ninyo, nag-withdraw kayo sa machine, mababawasan of course yung laman ng savings account ninyo sa SeaBank of course. Kasi doon yung nakalink or nakakonect. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo, baka kasi magulat kayo. Tapos of course, yung SeaBank debit card, MasterCard ay naglalaman ng confidential details tulad ng sinasabi ko. Dapat alam nyo yun. Dapat alam nyo kung paano pangalagaan yung SeaBank debit card details ninyo kasi pwede siyang gamitin sa online transactions. Baka magulat na lang kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng deduction, nabawasan yung savings ninyo. Diba? Kaya wag na wag nyo ipagkakalat yung SeaBank debit card details ninyo. At the same time, yung PIN. Kapag nakuha ng ibang tao yung debit card ninyo, yung physical card, at alam yung PIN, so pwede nilang ma-withdraw yung laman. Pwede silang makapag-inquire at nakita nilang may laman, pwede nilang withdrawin yung laman since alam nila yung PIN code. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Yun lang. Bye-bye!